Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a tutorial on how I do my red brows. Yes, finally how I do my red brows. So I've done another eyebrow tutorial on my channel doing my regular brows, but this is pretty much the same process. I'm just filling in the color red brows. So now I'm outlining my brows. I like to do both sides. Now, keep in mind, y'all, I'm a very heavy-handed person on everything, but when it comes to certain things like my brows, I try to be as gentle as possible because I'm going to clean those up in the end. And as you can see, I'm just barely brushing the color on there. And I like to go in with my eyebrow brush to fill everything in. And I mix 2 concealers in so I can give it that highlight effect, and it makes my brows look so much better, y'all. Look at that. I'm just carving it out. This is like my favorite process to do. And after that, I just pretty much touch up everything that's needed that I see that's wrong, and I just repeat. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.